Every day, YouTube Shorts and TikTok videos go viral, racking up views and earning creators money effortlessly. The key is to create unique and engaging content. In this video, I'll share a new method for making videos and introduce you to a fresh niche. So, let's get started. Take a look at this channel. It's producing fascinating fact videos about various places, and it's gaining massive views. This TikTok account is also thriving by posting videos created using an AI script and the new Google Earth Studio. The best part? It's completely faceless. Let's break down the steps to create videos like these. First, we need to choose a location for our video. Ensure the place has a 3D view on Google Earth. To find such places, we'll ask ChatGPT. I'll enter a prompt to generate 50 place names. You can find this prompt on our Discord server. Just go to the description box and click the Discord server link, then click the Accept Invite button. Once you're on our Discord server, navigate to the Prompt Guide discussion channel. Here, you'll find the Google Studio Video Creation Prompt Guide. Copy the first prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. At the end of the prompt, you can specify a theme like beach, old temple, tallest building, and more. I'll skip this step for now. And here we go. ChatGPT has generated 50 place names. Next, select one of the places and write a script about it. I'll use ChatGPT for this too. Head back to the AI Lockup Discord server and copy the second prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT, enter the place name in the blank space, and add a specific starting line if desired. Hit enter, and our script is ready. Now it's time to create the video using Google Earth Studio. Sign up for an account, and once you've registered, log in with your credentials. This step is crucial to access the tools needed for creating stunning flyover visuals to complement your engaging script and voiceover. From the blank template button, click the drop-down menu to find available templates. Review them and select the one that best fits your video. On the next page, you can manually set the positions, but I'll search for the place we've chosen. Once found, click the next button. On the following page, set the positions and details of your video. Experiment a bit to get the values right, then hit next. Now, set the video duration. I'll choose 90 seconds. Click here to proceed. Welcome to the preview panel. Here, you can customize the view or add various attributes like 3D buildings, change the environment's time, and much more. If you want a detailed video on Google Earth Studio, let me know in the comment section. Now, let's customize the project. Google Earth generates videos at a default aspect ratio of 16:9, but we need a video in a 9:16 ratio. To fix this, click on the File menu, select Project Settings, unlock the video resolution, enter 1080 by 1920, and then click Done. To download the video, click on the Render button. First, enter the video name and set the attribution position for Google Earth. Once everything is set, click the Save button. Google Earth will take some time to render the video. During this, you can create another video from a different angle. Once rendering is complete, download your videos. Our video is now ready. Next, we need to generate a voiceover and edit it with a video editor. I will use the CapCut video editor. If you don't have CapCut on your system, you can use the web version. First, import the Google Earth generated videos into CapCut and insert them into the timeline. Then, add the voiceover. You can record your own voice or use text-to-speech tools like ElevenLabs, Muff, or Lovo. CapCut can also generate a voiceover from your text. I will use ElevenLabs. After creating an account on ElevenLabs, select a voice actor, paste the script, customize the voice settings, and click Generate. Now, let's dive into the story of one of the most iconic bridges in the world. Download the voiceover onto your device, import it into CapCut, and insert it into the audio timeline. If the voiceover duration doesn't match the video, adjust the video speed accordingly. You can add effects and stickers to make the video more engaging and include stock footage from the Stock Material tab. Our visuals are ready, so let's add captions. Go to the Caption tab, select Auto Caption, choose the video language, and click Generate. CapCut will automatically create captions. Then, go to the Preset Settings tab, click on Templates, and choose the best caption text template. Finally, we'll add background music. You can find music on CapCut, but I suggest using the YouTube audio library or a copyright-free music provider like Pixabay. After adding the music, adjust the volume. Once everything is set, click the export button. CapCut will take some time to render the video. Let's fast forward, and here it is. Our video is saved on our device. Let's take a look.
Did you know Ireland's cliffs of Moher rise 700 feet straight out of the Atlantic Ocean? Imagine standing on the edge, feeling the wind from a 300-million-year-old rock formation. These cliffs stretch for 5 miles along Ireland's western coast. On a clear day, you can see the Aran Islands and Galway Bay. But it's not just the...
I think it's quite a good video. You can make it more engaging and perfect by giving some extra effort. Alright, now you can upload the video on your YouTube channel or TikTok account. Alright, friends, I will wrap up this video. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience with creating TikTok videos with AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye.